Hello! Let's blur that out for today, boys. Today we have a little weird one. We have a PS5 controller where I think a kid tore this out because I've never seen something so perfectly taken out. So I don't even know how they flex it. I think it still works. Let's yeah, it clicks and moves. So hold on. Let's see how this works.
Linux laptop.
I have a good test game for this. Let me get. All right, here's my PS5 controller. We're gonna just plug this bad boy in over here, and then we're gonna just load up a quick little chill game. So we're just gonna play some Ultra Kill. Oh my god! Wow. Oh. This is the only reason I got the laptop. So he's like, ooh. Oh, you can see me in my bad haircut. Just want to see you load it. So we'll test it with mine, and then we'll test it with the other one. Oh, what the hell? Apparently I can use this as a trackpad. That's weird. Start here, and then we'll just do a prelude into the fire. No. Why is it loading like that? It's like going. Yeah. Okay. So let's unplug the controller, and then we'll re-plug in their controller, and we'll see. Oh yeah. So we look up, down, left, right. Yeah, the controller seems to be working fine, so that we can just go from there. We can do this one of two ways. We can try to either jam this back in there, or we can be cool about it and be nice and take apart the controller and put it in. So that's what we're gonna do. Someone's paying me to do that, so we're gonna do it that way. So we're gonna flip. Oh, it's gonna be one of these where I have to. Oh, gross! Clean yourself, homie. Did they even get that out? All right, well, let's do some research and then we'll get back to okay, I looked at a video for 3 seconds, so we have to first get into start digging in your butt twin. Oh, that flew. Cool. Scared me for a wee bit. The black guy right here. I hope I never do this to my own controller because this is gonna be a pain in the butt to get into. There you go, see? There you go. And then we just kind of yeah. There we go. Yeah. Oh wait, can I just no? Okay, I gotta get one more layer into it. That is so gross. So there's a screw here. I thought this was gonna be a quick repair. I'm gonna be so for real. I did not know it was gonna be like this. I was legitimately missing 2 screws. I'm so blind, guys. I actually need glasses or something. At least these are all the same size. That's good. It's kind of yep. 1, 2. Oh. There we go. Oh. Oh, the battery's fully out. At least, dude, the PS3 controller with how it is. Okay, so the next step is to get the motherboard out. Because I understand, it's easy for the battery. How the freak? Oh. So maybe I can, cheat the system, right? By, because it's horizontal, so I gotta leave that to go into there. So maybe I can cheat it by nope. Okay, never mind. This is a learning experience for the both of us. I hope you guys know that at least. Maybe I can peel upwards? Question mark? Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. I should probably take this guy out and so as to not rip it, right? Maybe I can just whoa. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm trying to okay, well that just came out. That's not what I wanted. Okay, well that popped out. We'll figure that out. I'm trying to look into here to try to fit it back into there, but it's just lighting wise, I'm struggling. Well, I always hate this so much because it's just I'm too scared something's gonna happen if it all sounds bad. We still haven't fixed. Oh. Yeah! Okay, cool. Oh. Now, where does this go? This is important, right? I don't know what this. Oh no. Oh wait, not too bad. So we just have to do the opposite of over here. So it's that. So then I want to go that into it. Oh, frick. Please. Yeah, there we go. God damn it. There we go. Okay. Yep. Alright, now we gotta get this guy back in here. Oh, cool. That just clips in like that. There we go. That looks great. Okay. Jesus Christ. There's so many things, man. Just bring this bad boy back. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, see, it's running fine. I don't know why we're screaming. Maybe I can like zoom out. Yeah, you can see the gaming's done. Give me the gun. Bang, bang! Can I switch? Hell yeah, I can! Meow. Well, yeah, like that. Oh, what's up, bud? Just keep walking. It don't matter too much. I'm dead. Where am I? Wait, no, it's up. There's a secret over there. I'm not gonna go get it. Some fire. Alright, well, we're gonna just call that a success. Alright, cool. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for this. If this helped you, let me know. I thought this was gonna be like a quick 30-second video. I'm gonna be so for real. I didn't think it was gonna be all like that. So, thanks for watching. If you like anything, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See ya!